countrymen, we celebrate National Independence Day as the national festival of India. This day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire. So on the auspicious occasion of this Nectar of Independence, I have the opportunity to express my views and thoughts in the form of a speech. So moving forward, I would like to speak about the personality whom I consider to be the person of inspiration in my life, and I am trying to follow the path shown by him. He was the personality who was brave, intelligent, brilliant, as well as very diplomatic by nature. He was born on 31st October 1875 in Gujarat. We know him as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Sardar Patel, Iron Man and Bismarck of India. Although there are innumerable qualities in Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, but his style of speaking really inspires and impresses me a lot. Through his influential style of speaking, he brought his voice to all the corners of India and create awareness among people and brought India its independence. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel really played a very important role in providing independence to the country. And with this, after independence, through his diplomatic powers, he should get 565 princely states merged into India. This shows that he believed in unity in diversity. So we can say that he wanted to make India a united India. By the year 2014, the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel started to be celebrated as National Unity Day. So in conclusion, I would like to say that the ideology of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel really inspires and impresses me a lot. By seeing their love and dedication towards their country, it really makes me feel so strong and motivated from inside. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, while expressing his views about his country, says that we should know our country, we should live, and we should expand ourselves. I may have born in one state, I may have grown in one language, but this country is mine. I belong to this country and everything belongs to me. So I have to be connected with my country by heart. This sense of pride really inspires me and it shows me the way to live the mantra of unity. I consider Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel as my inspiration and I expect myself to follow the path shown by him. Jai Hind!